Hello, everyone. A very warm welcome to Sarah and Bonaface Inspirations. I hope you are doing great. Today's lesson is all about IELTS Speaking Part 3, the section where you share your opinion, discuss ideas, compare situations, and talk about future in English. Many students feel nervous in this part because the questions become a little deeper and more discussion based. But the good news is you do not need perfect English to answer well. You simply need to express your ideas clearly, confidently, and naturally. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to give better part 3 answers with simple vocabulary, clear explanation, and natural fluency. And before we start, I would like to share that online spoken classes and IELTS preparation classes are available here at Sarah and Bonaface Inspirations for students and women. We offer interactive 1 hour classes 5 days a week focused on improving speaking, confidence, fluency, pronunciation, and overall communication skills. If you would like to join our classes, you can contact me through comment below this video or check the detail provided in the description below. Also, if you enjoy learning English with us, please support the channel by liking this video, subscribing, and sharing your feedback in the comment section. Now, without wasting any time, let's start today's IELTS Speaking Part 3 practice session. If the examiner asks you in IELTS Speaking Part 3 the question that do you think people spend too much time on social media nowadays, then you should answer like that. Yes, I believe many people spend excessive time on social media these days. In my opinion, social media has become a major part of daily life because people use it for communication, entertainment, and even work. However, spending too much time online can negatively affect productivity and mental health. For example, many students waste hours scrolling through short videos instead of focusing on studies or personal development. At the same time, social media also has positive sides because it helps people stay connected and learn new things. So, I think balance is very important. Another common question can be asked: how is communication different now compared to the past? Your response could be: I think communication has changed dramatically over the last few years. In the past, people mostly communicated face to face or through letters and phone calls. Nowadays, communication has become much faster because of smartphones and social media platforms. People can instantly send messages, make video calls, and connect with others living in different countries. Although technology has made communication easier, I believe personal interaction slightly decreased. Many people now prefer texting instead of meeting in person. Overall, modern communication is faster and more convenient, but traditional communication felt more personal and meaningful. And that's how you can answer this question. Please subscribe to the channel that you never miss any step of ongoing learning. Another very important question examiner can ask: do you think online learning will become more popular in the future? Your response should be clear and confident. Yes, definitely. I believe online learning will continue growing in the future because it is flexible, affordable, and accessible for people from different backgrounds. Nowadays, students can learn almost anything from home using the internet. For example, many people are taking online English courses, professional trainings, and university classes without traveling anywhere. Online learning also saves time and transportation cost. However, I think traditional classroom will still remain important because face-to-face interaction helps students stay more focused and disciplined. So, in the future, we may see a combination of both online and physical learning systems. Another important topic that can be discussed in the IELTS speaking part 3 is traveling. Examiner might ask, what are the advantages of traveling? Your response should be: traveling has many benefits. First of all, it helps people relax and take a break from their daily routine. Secondly, traveling allows people to experience different cultures, foods, languages, and lifestyle. It also helps improve communication skills and confidence because people interact with new individuals and unfamiliar environments. Such as when people travel to another city or country, they learn how others live and think. In my opinion, traveling is not only enjoyable but also educational. That's why many people consider travel an important part of life. So, this is how you can answer IELTS speaking part 3 questions naturally and confidently. Remember, give clear opinion, explain your ideas, add reasons and examples, avoid one word answers, speak slowly and confidently. The more you practice discussion questions, the more fluent and comfortable you become. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sarah and Boniface Inspirations. And if you want to join online spoken classes on our IELTS classes, feel free to contact me through Messenger, email, or the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.